Alright, ladies and gents. This is one of them benefits to having a dual sport. Even though I don't have one. But fuck it, you know. I live like a block away from the gas station, so I just cruise on down here. Fill her up. I mean, we were way down there. I think this is a 2.5 gallon tank. So we'll see what she takes. But we'll fill her all the way up to the tippy toppy. Ooh, oh. That's good enough. Yeah, boy. That's my boy. Okay. Let's see what we got. 2.1 gallons. So we had 0.4 gallons. No, I don't want a fucking receipt for 4 gallons. Anyway, let's go ride, guys. Let's just go. You know, it's wet. You know, it's rainy, but we're gonna go ride anyway. Pussies don't, you know, pussies don't ride in the rain. I ride in the rain. Okay? And, oh, you know what? I totally forgot to do the whole, oh, yeah. Like Vroom Vroom Dana does. Because that shit's funny. But we're just gonna head up to the hills, see what takes us, you know. I mean, I literally just got out of bed and I'm like, hey, let's go ride. Let's go riding for a bit. I'm in my PJs. You know, we got PJ, you know. Oh, I guess that's something we can talk about. Appropriate safety gear, okay? All you really need is, well, okay. Obviously, you should have the full get up, but all you really need is the boots, okay? The boots and the gloves. Gloves are not, I mean, you can go without gloves. That's no biggie. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh man. Took us to nowhere. I'm lost. What the fuck? Must have took the wrong turn. You know what? I think we're too far. Never. What the fuck? Whoa! There we are. Okay, we're on the right track. Don't even know my own neighborhood. Shit. All right. Anyway. So, you really just need boots and then the helmet. The helmet is just, you cannot ride. I've ridden with no, you know, no boots, just taking it easy, kicking back. But you gotta have a helmet. Okay? Helmet's the way to go. And goggles I've come to conclude. Okay, so like yesterday, I went fucking right up this and hit a bush. Okay, today we went, yesterday we went that way. Today we're gonna go this way. See what we can find. you know. See what we can find in our PJs. Yeah, feeling pretty good, feeling pretty snazzy. Got a guy on a bike. Always be courteous to the guys on the bikes, you know, and the hikers too. Especially when I'm, you know, riding on the hiker's trail. You probably ought to be courteous, you know. But, yeah, my dad was telling me about this spot, and I don't even know what the fuck he's talking about. But we're gonna go try and find it. It was over, I mean, obviously we're gonna have to do a little bit of street action, you know. No biggie. But this is a fun little trail. You know, it's a little rocky. You don't want to hit it too fast. But yeah, it's a fun little, you know, you bobbing and weaving, and you know. I went on this trail the other day. It's a neat little trail. I mean, smaller than small. Anywhere around my house is just gonna be small. That's just all there is to it, you know. Oh, shit. Alright, looks like we didn't get wet. Ooh, we got a couple people banging. I mean, that's pretty much all you do up here. You either four-wheeling, you dirt biking, or you banging. And I know this from experience, trust me. Whoa, that's a big puddle there, yeah. Whoa, that's the bigger one. Anyway, had some damn good times back in the old days with my old girly friend. Let's call her, well, fuck, let's call her Natalie, because, I mean, her name's Natalie. And you guys know me as Eli Joe Mac, which is not my real name, obviously. But, you know, so me and Natalie had some good times up here, I'll tell you what. Miss that girl. Anyway, okay, so the cool trail that I took the other day, oh, I think we just passed it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Maybe on the way back, I'll be like, hey, there's the fucking trail. Anyway, because we're already to the road. Okay, so here's the deal. We just be real quiet. We don't fucking screw around, okay? We don't bust wheelies in the neighborhood, because that shit attracts cops. We just, you know, especially when it's wet, especially when she's wet, you just, you know, mosey on up here. No big deal. It takes like 5 minutes. I don't know. 5 minutes. I don't know. It's hard to tell time when you're on a dirt bike. Anyway, so we're just gonna cruise on up here, and then what happens is we link right into Bountiful to the B, and there is some kick-ass riding up there. Unfortunately, in Utah, there's a lot of snow, and so I don't go up too high, you know. But this spot my dad was telling me about was like these super sick, like deep ravines just right at the bottom. So I just wanted to go check it out. You know, it's nothing, you know, it's not like a huge vlog or anything. We're just gonna go check it out. Okay, so you take a left here. Has it been 5 minutes yet? I don't even know. Anyway. Oh, let's see here. What does that say? Road closed today. I was thinking temporary, but it says today. Anyway, I'm not going that way anyway. Oh, potholes! Oh, no. Those potholes are always there. But you're always like, hey, let's wheelie right here. This is sick ass straightaway. Anyway, you can see there's a hill. I don't know, maybe we'll climb it. I don't know. But okay, so you see, oh, you guys probably can't even see. I guess I'll just go up the ravine and just see. I think I see what my dad was talking about. There's like nobody here. Huh. Is that doable? Fuck yeah, it's doable. Let's just go up it, and then if it's not doable, we'll find out later. Oh shit. I may have mentioned it's a little steep. Okay, we're good though, we're good. Oh fuck. Okay, rock back a little bit. Pop clutch. No biggie. We'll just mosey on up here. Oh, we killed it. We killed it. That's okay. I need a break. Anyway, I mean, I think that was the hardest part. I can't see shit because I got shit all over my goggles. Woo! Okay, this is the plan. We're just gonna fucking go for it. We're gonna just bank. Oh, I didn't even think. Can you guys see? Anyway, I hope you can see. Anyway, we're gonna bank, and then just get shit done. Okay, this isn't going as planned. Oh, okay, we're good. The bike's still running. That counts. Okay, we're like halfway, I think. We're gonna go for it. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Maybe if I can get out of this shit right here. Okay, here we go. One more try. Okay, that's not working. Maybe this isn't the one. Maybe this isn't the one my dad was talking about. Because there's no fucking way he's climbing up this shit. What it looks like right there is the finish line. So I hate to quit, you know. We got like a stream coming down on us. Okay, one last try, and we're sending this shit, dude. First gear, E-start. Here we go. Whoa, shit. Oh, okay. Bike's still running. It still counts. Okay. Okay. We're almost there. Oh, fuck me, I'm getting my arm pump. Oh, fuck it. Fuck this. We're going back down. Okay, a little wheel hop. We're good. Here we go.